it and there's no emotion being elicited from it, but I'm also not doing myself any favors.
Well, it's not, if you don't have the emotional component as part of your visualization, then I wouldn't call what you're doing routine. It's a routine, but it's routine.
Yeah.
The routine, the real routine, always has the emotional component in it. So this leads me to think that you're getting lazy with the visualization. It's part of you're going through the motions of it mentally in terms of how you're visualizing. You're going through the emotion. All right, I did that. What's next? You see, so there's got to be some energy behind it for it to work. This means that when you visualize, you don't just see yourself. This is the problem with the word. Visualization is a really bad word for describing what it is that you need to do. Visualization is really imagination and feel. Imagination encompasses all of the senses, not just the visual. So you need to imagine and feel. Imagine and feel. Imagine and feel. If you're not feeling, then you are not using your imagination the way it works most effectively. Doesn't mean there's no result. So think about it. Think about it in terms of the first time you tore a deck of cards you told me the story, in front of this girl.
Yeah.
All right, so you see the smile there, everybody? Now, what was your emotional state prior to you telling her that you're going to tear a deck of cards in half?
I was pretty excited because I felt like I had the sense that I could do it. I felt like it wasn't like a long shot sort of a thing, and I knew that it would be impressive for her. So yeah, I felt like a sense of excitement.
Had you ever had that sense of excitement before when you were unsuccessful in tearing a card deck?
No, not really, I don't think.
So it was unique. First time, level of excitement led to you tearing the cards. First time you had that level of excitement, look at the result you got. When you attempted the same feat previously, you could say, well, I didn't have the strength then, yes, but strength is how much of your brain is connected to your body.